Even as every day you show me nothing but love. All I have is a heart breaking up. Not enough. Just stop it please, just stop it please. Your kind embrace is killing me. I'm breaking and can't understand that kindness and warmth within your hands. It's hurting me, it's hurting me. Speak in your words, tell me everything I'll never know. Tell me where to go, don't go and leave me all alone. How cruel of you, how cruel of you. Shatter my heart till it breaks in two. Tear it painfully till I break and bleed. Do anything that you want of me. I still cry, though I try to scream and fight. You pass me by, come take hold of me ever gently. Don't let me go even as I say it's okay. Hey, you know, if I had a heart that beat for you and me, do you think I could find that love so deep inside of me? You smiled softly and just said to me so clear, it all was here, just come and stay with me.